Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today I'll be unboxing this Adel LS9 Fingerprint Door Lock. And before I open this up, let's look at some of the highlights on the box. Over here it says guarantee fit, reversible handles, so it fits the left and the right, easy installation. And it looks like there's quite a few selections to choose from. So the one I got is this one right here. And it costs just under $115 on Amazon. Not much else on the bottom of the box. Alright, let's open this up. First we have a user manual in a number of languages. Here we have a keychain. Seems more like just an accessory. A keychain bottle opener with a thumbs up button. A quality improvement. Here we have the installation booklet, and it's in English and Chinese. Alright, I'll go through this momentarily. Here's one of the locks. Here's a second one. I'm holding this very gently, not because they're fragile or anything, but just because it feels a bit oily. But all locks are like that, whether I buy them from Home Depot or Lowe's. Here we have two keys. Show them off right here. Here we have a strike plate. Another accessory. Let's see what else is in here. This screws and I guess clamps. Oh, it came with some tools like a file, a Phillips screwdriver, and a more good drill if I need to drill holes. And it looks like in order to take this off, I gotta unscrew this part first. And just disconnect these two. Disconnected wire, and now unscrew this piece too. So you can look at back piece first. There's also a handle, and that was in the packaging, and it's plastic type of finish, very smooth plastic. This piece, if I just press down, exposes the battery compartment. It's powered by 4 AA batteries, 1.5 volt each. Here. And here we have the front, facing the outside fingerprint sensor. Looks like an LED and a numeric keypad 0, 1, 2, 3. On the back over here, it has a reminder and the correct and wrong way of installation. And here's the user manual for this Adel unit. I'm just showing this because some folks out there just might want to see the user manual before they go ahead with the purchase, in case you're wondering whether or not the user manual is easy to follow. And since the price tag's over $100, to me anything costing over $100, it does require more research. Drilling template. Here. There's another drilling template here. And finally testing the lock. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the Adel LS9 Fingerprint Door Lock. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.